guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning. Today is Sunday and I've just made some lovely mandazis. I've already had even breakfast. The plan for today, I'm going to be doing my nails and then just chill and do most of the things indoors. So come along with me as I start this vlog. If you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, hit on the red button and join my squad. So I didn't expect those mandazis to come to be like, there's so many. I think I made the dough bigger, so the mandazis came out a lot, but I don't know if I think I'll give out to my friends because I don't know any neighbor around here. I haven't made any friends here and I don't know who to give. Like, the good thing, I have such a bad habit. I'll be making mandazis and then I eat a few and then the rest they just dry down. And you know one thing with pastry, when they dry down, it's just, it doesn't taste the same like when it's fresh. So that's a bad habit that I always have. I think I'll take some to my friend. And yeah, I just wanted to start the vlog here. I hope you guys are doing so well and hope you guys are doing so lovely. We're approaching November. I cannot believe the year is almost ending. Yani the other date was just January and then kidogo we're in November. We're almost in November. I think November is in 5 days out from now. And yeah, anyway, I just wanted to start this vlog here. Welcome, subscribe, come along with me on this spend my day video. I've been loving these spend my day vlogs because they're easy to edit and they just go along my day doing things here and there that I absolutely love. So yeah, the plan for today is to make my nails. As you can see, my nails are just bare like that. Oh, before that, I want to go and I recently got houseplants and I'm so excited. The ones that I got are so low maintenance, so I just water them. I leave them in my balcony and I don't do much actually about them. So yeah, that's the plan for today and let's get started. You guys, I have so many dresses that I haven't worn in a while. Although the last few days I decluttered, I gave out most of the stuff I had in this room. I had so many clothes and I gave out to my friends. And yeah, I still feel like I have a lot. One thing about me, I like to declutter. I do not stay long with things. Especially, I do not attach myself to so many things. So when I feel like I have a lot, especially in terms of clothing, I just tend to give out. So I'm so happy I was able to give out my clothes, but still I feel like I have a lot to give. So I've just finished arranging a few things and also I wanted to show you this dress. My friend made this dress for me and I just wanted to show you how it fits me. This is how it looks like. It's just a long black gown with slits, and it's this material. Slit on this side, and it also has another one on this side, so you won't fall. So this is a dress. Please just name the occasion, I'll be there. Thank you. I didn't show you guys my nails, but I got this cute pink set. I think cute little tiny nails, that's where I'm at these days. I rarely do long nails. So yeah, this is the dress. I also got this top, but I do not know how to wear it. You know when you just get something because of the material, the quality, and I don't know if you guys can see, it has some shimmery and rib effect. Like, I don't know if it's, you see that? Like, this is what attracted me to this top. But on the front side, I don't know if it's actually a bodysuit. I just saw it online. Let me just wear the two so that, let me figure out how this top is, because hii kitu inavaliwa aje by the way. Okay, so this is how the top is supposed to look like. For some minute this was confusing me because I was wondering, hey, this top. So it's a bodysuit, as you can see. This is the back, fully covered, and it's also long sleeve. Do you guys see that shimmery on the top? Like that? Yeah, it's everywhere on the top. So I think it's like, there's a material that they used inside. Is it latex? I don't know, but I love it. I love this top. So this is one of the top that I got, and it also has this padded shoulder thing going on. I don't know how. I think I'll remove it. I don't like the way it's boxy. You can wear with skirts. You can pair with you know, it's basically a bodysuit. So I also got this cute top. I love the buttons here. I love the details. The sleeves are good, and yeah, and the back details. I wanted to show you one of the best things that I found recently. This thing. So lately I've been waxing myself, and I use these wax beads. So okay, the lighting here is not good, but I'm just saying that lately I've been using these wax beads. You just put them in the microwave, or you melt them also using hot water, and you just wax yourself, and it's been amazing. This is my second bottle. I've been saving a lot because this one is like 500 bob, and you use it for the last bottle. I used it like for so many times, I can't remember. Although waxing yourself, every time I wax, it's still painful like the first time. But I'm actually enjoying this. Okay, I'm not enjoying it, to be honest, but I'm actually saving more money, because I realized most waxing places that I'm going to, they're not really that keen on hygiene. So I just started researching online and how I can be waxing myself, and yeah, these are lifesavers. These are good. Just get yourself one. You can also do this kind of things at home on your own, and it's much more healthier, and I think it's also much more cleaner, and yeah, you just do it yourself, DIY. really wish I had an air fryer. This would be saving so much time, and instead of using an oven. I'll get one soon. Hey guys, so I'm done with everything right now. Actually, this hair, hey, one thing about getting a sew-in, najikuna, like, it's so good, like, anyway, that's TMI. So I'm done with everything. I wanted to end this vlog here, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sticking with me. I know that this vlog has been all over the place. I started really well in the morning. The places I wanted to go, and then the rain came when I was just midway there, and I just cancelled it last minute. But I'll take you guys along next time in the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Thank you for all the love and support. Please leave a comment down below, and also like this video. If you're new and you're joining me for the first time, also just leave a subscribe. Just click on that red button and join my squad. And yeah, just wanted to end this vlog. Thank you so much. I'll catch up with you guys in my next video. Bye.